is currently 6 a.m. and I'm getting ready to go to Ireland for Christmas. So yeah, come along.
Nobody's home till 4, and you're sitting there with nothing to do, talking about Robert Riker and his motley crew, and where you gonna go, where you gonna sleep tonight, and you're singing a song, thinking this is a life, and you wake up in the morning and your head is just aside, where you gonna go, where you gonna sleep tonight.
Properly mopped up.
Yeah, except for me.
No, except me.
Yeah, but that's okay.
Scale of 1 to 10.
That makes you happy.
That one.
Which happy hippo makes you happy? I'll take that one.
We're trying happy hippos.
Nice. Okay, I need to check it out.
What is it?
It's like a Kinder Bueno without the chocolate.
Ooh.
It's called,
In the
It's
shape
got
of a
eyes.
hippo.
oh, it's a hippo.
It's got eyes.
I'm surprised that it has like.
Yeah, it's a hippo.
Ready?
Oh my god, it's
Get crumbs
Ready?
everywhere.
Go.
sorry. That's really good. That is really going. Wow. 10 out of 10. Oh my god. I'm off the train. I'm in the car. But I fell asleep because recently I cannot travel without instantly like conking out. And so the train was like an hour and a half. I fell asleep like half an hour in. And I wake up, literally the train has stopped. I'm like, oh wait, okay, because like I woke up the stop before, but the stop before was like 45 minutes before my stop, and so I was like, okay, like my stop is the next stop. I wake up, the train has stopped. I'm like, oh wait, the train stopped. I look outside trying to find like a sign to say like what stop I'm at. I'm like, I can't see one, and I'm like, oh my gosh, and then it's at Mallow, and I'm like, oh my god, I need to get off the train right now. And so I get my bag, and I'm like to the person next to me, I'm like, I'm so sorry, I need to get off the train. They're like, oh what, like go. And so like I ran off the train, and then my heart was beating, and I got off, but I was like, wow, I really could have just ended up going to bloody Kilkenny or something. But now we're at Tesco's, and we're gonna do the Christmas shop. Yeah, let's go. What do you think about the Sedona? Looking good. Okay, so we're going to quickly do a haul. From Santa, I got an electric toothbrush because my one in the middle of the night just started like buzzing and beeping uncontrollably, so we threw it out the window. And then I got a thermos because I drink a lot of tea and I can drink it on the road. I got these earrings. And then I got from my godmother this necklace, a little flower and a heart on it. Best present that's been on my Christmas list since I was like 10 or 11. A mini waffle maker! I've wanted this forever. And then I got some cards. Oh, and iPad case with a keyboard. It's all very, very exciting. Happy Christmas!
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good.